Ginoo, ipagpaumanhin at huli na, nang hilingin pagsang-ayon mo, sa ninanais naming dala.
Projects we couldn't decline. Some comes off as a hard task. Nothing more for we could ask. For our sake, move the deadline.
I am tired for this session, not one work done to mention. Little consideration, please accept our petition.
Isang linggo na ang lumipas, nang taktang petsay inilabas. Sapat ang oras kaya naman, bigong nahimok, tugon ko riyan. Kami iyong kahabagan, isang linggo'y hindi sapat. Pagpasensyahan pagkat oras gahon, bitin kulang.
We have deadlines that need to meet, other tasks subjects to complete, and multitask that needs to fail. Once at a time, please make it fair.
Give us time, let our plead be heard. We are seeking for sympathy. Now, exams add up to our sked, time ticks behind, have some pity.
Gawa ay kinulang sa oras. Nais ay gradong matas. Takot na bigyan ng kaltas. Pasahan ay gawing patas.
Kung ganun nga at balisa, naarok ang hirap kaya ipagpapaliban muna.